In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down the video clips in Shotcut. So this clip here, this is what it looks like in normal speed. Alright, to slow it down, all you have to do is right click here on the clip, go to properties, and right here where it says speed, you can use these arrows up and down, just hold on to it. Go up fast, go down fast, or just enter the number you want, like a 1. Or you can use this drop down right here to select the speed. Let's go with a 2 speed. Now I'm going to check right here where it says pitch compensation. I'm going to put a check mark there so it can sound like a normal horse. Watch. Because if I leave it unchecked, it sounds like this. Yeah. So make sure it's checked. Now let's slow it down. Let's go with half speed. And if you ever want to separate the sound from the video, just right click on the clip, go to detach audio, and let's select audio, the audio clip. Let's right click and let's go to properties because we need to change it back to normal, to 1. So the sound of the horse is going to be normal speed, but the video is going to be slow motion. So there it is. Now you know how to speed up or slow down your video clips in Shotcut. Thanks for watching.